an initiative that Arts Munchen took, I think, pretty much from our first anniversary onwards. The whole idea is to spread joy through dance. And we work with different sections of the society, people who are disabled, unabled. And the whole idea is that despite disability, inability, life is to celebrate. And it's not just, so we bring them to the studio for 4 months, we train them, we put them on stage. The idea is not as much an experience for them as it's also for us, because I also feel that in our extremely privileged lives, we very often feel that "Arey, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai, wo nahi hai." But when you actually interact with people from different sections of the society, you realize the challenges that everyone's facing. And for us, it's a very humbling experience. It's very nice for the entire team. Everybody loves interacting with the children, training them, having them over at the studio. It's a beautiful time for all of us. And wonderful people like Jim come every year and support us and make this even more special, and especially for the kids.
Oh, it's been so lovely to hear everything about it. I can't believe you've done it for so many years.
Yeah,
and
15 years now, I think.
I always do feel that every one of us is yearning for some opportunity to express ourselves, to make life some version of a celebration, to be given a stage and be given the chance to perform on it in one way or the other. And I think that whatever memories that this event will foster, whatever proceeds that will eventually be donated, I think it can't be for a nobler, a better cause. And I believe
So
this
actually,
year
it's actually even more beautiful than donating proceeds, because actually what really happens is that everyone who's associated with the show over the years just like stops taking money from us for everything, because it's like, this is our way of doing it. The designer won't take money.
Yeah.
And especially and what happens is for 4 months, because everyone in the studio comes through regular classes, sees the children coming, they're like, acha, aaj ka khana we'll get, let me get them. So people have come and given them fitness attire, somebody's come and given them. So it's just a lot of people coming together and supporting our cause. So I think it's even more beautiful than just having charity and donating money, and that is the most amazing part about
Right, absolutely. You were saying earlier that you continue to train some
Yeah,
people.
we continue to train some of them. So actually, a lot of those girls are going to be here in the evening as well. The Dharavi girls that we worked with, you would remember. And they're all going to be here because they're like, we're so excited. We want to come see, we want to come watch. And we have been training them. We've actually even been doing other things like swim camps, football, whatever. A lot of sorts of trainings for them. And it's our initiative, to do whatever we can. I won't say worried, scared, because we know what an amazing dancer she is. And she's an aerialist, and she's been training with our teacher Aditi for the longest time. So we're very worried about how we are going to fare on her meter of dancers.
I'm not here to judge, I'm here to just have fun.
Yeah, but that aside, it's very nice of her to come and support our event. And the whole point being that we're trying to bring these kids out of their shell, break their barriers, break their apprehensions, and put them on stage, make them happy in whatever way that we can. And I think this is a very beautiful way, because when stars like you come and do pictures with them, it makes them so happy.
Because thank you so much for making me a part of such an amazing thing that you're doing, because finding to do something good in today's day and age is very difficult, and you're doing it, and again, making me a part of it. So I am super grateful here.
Thank you so much.
What I believe is dancing doesn't have any language. You don't really have to put in your brains. It is a way to express yourself. Even though if you have two left feet, you're fine, because that is your way of dancing. And nobody, I repeat this again, nobody has this right to judge anybody saying कि इसको dance नहीं आता. वो उसके type का dance है, तो उसको enjoy करो.
Yeah, that's beautifully said. That's so true.
I just said it that I'm really grateful, and this is a great opportunity for me, because first of all, I've never been a part of such good cause where really I have visited a lot of NGOs, but something like this with dance, which I really like to do, is a different thing for me altogether. So I'm just looking forward for the night.
The best, and congratulations for Anchal Gupta for doing it for 15 years. That is hats off. And being a dancer, the title of Dance with Joy, it really brings the whole joy, happiness, peace, everything where you let go in free. So I'm really to the dance. So Basically, I'm from childhood a classical dancer, and yes, I would. If you give me another chance, what would you go for? I would like tap dance and salsa.
Dance is a way of life for me. Dance is not an exercise, not. It's just, I think I probably learned to dance before I learned how to walk. So that's how special dance is to me. And I'm really happy to be here today because I've known Aanchal when her science studio was there. I used to come for some rehearsals. And I've known and supported her because I love the will and the grit that she works with and the causes that she supports. So I'm always there, standing right behind her whenever she needs me, and I will continue to support her. And this is such a great initiative, and also the whole message behind fighting depression, healing. This is a really beautiful message, and yeah, dance really makes all the happy hormones come alive, and there's nothing better than dance to heal yourself.
Well, I'd heard a lot of Dance with Joy. Of course, Arts in Motion is my lucky space. It's the most beautiful space to. I've done aerial there. I've had my Shakti pole camp there. Aanchal is one person who's really promoted dance and has really stood by me when I went through depression. And when I had my Shakti pole camp, which was also about fighting depression, Aanchal had already for years done Dance with Joy. So this is, this is just an extension to her, and she is performing, and that the cause is so beautiful, and that she is standing so strong for it, and still standing strong, and still bringing people up on stage and making it bigger, larger than life. I mean, like, all I want to say is, Aanchal, hats off to you.
One has to be associated to some sort of an art where it becomes a stress buster. And whatever these guys are today doing is something which is unbelievable. As an individual, आपने कहा कि मैं कुछ करता हूँ, but it's like a never-ending process. You learn day in and day out. Again, here where I stand, probably I'm learning something again and carrying back home, which will take me forward to a level next. There is no doubt about it. As you rightly said, definitely heals a person for sure. And the fact is, it's full of energy. It's a power-packed thought. And that's what this thought, a format of dance is all about.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm really happy they are launching, and I have heard about Art in Motion, and I'm wishing all the very best to them. And I'm also a dancer, so it's a little close to me, and I would say like just all the best and thank you so much. First event, and he is getting launched by a music video called Sajda, and we both are playing lead in that. And so I'm looking forward for that.
It was lovely, and the audience was beautiful, and I'm always thankful to Arts in Motion. I'm a friend of Arts in Motion with Aanchal and the family, and I love supporting what they do. They're always supporting what I do, and it's beautiful to perform with an audience that is all performers, which is different from another audience. So I really felt their presence and the support, and it was a very nice experience. Well, it was Indian contemporary. My wonderful musician Uday Chandra was singing ghazal in Pakistani style of Bahadur Shah Zafar, and we had Suresh Vatwani who was on the tabla, and I was reciting the ghazal in dance, so it was a dance recital of the ghazal in Indian contemporary style. Yes, तो हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल डांस में अभिनय बहुत होता है, तो you are expressing the entire poetry, the nizam of the ghazal through your hands, through the face and the expressions. It's like my body becomes a language for that poetry, and that's the speciality of Indian classical dances. Well, dance is an art, and if you love dance, don't worry about where it may or may not take you. Just dance to be here, because it is a flowering and a blossoming of your own body.